Attending an urban sketching symposium is very energizing and exhausting at the same time. I want to show you my sketchbook from the USK Symposium in Toulouse. It's not filled, but it's full of experiments, and I'm really happy with this one. So let me show you what's inside. I've been a bit rogue in this one. It's a Stillman and Birn beta series white paper. It's pretty large. I love this sketchbook. When you are gathering urban sketchers, there is a thing with stickers. And then the game is to trade stickers. I made one here, and I gathered some from people all around the 4 days. This one, I made it by myself before the symposium because I was in Toulouse a week before for another workshop about characters. So I just dipped my toes in Toulouse, experimenting with colors. Not really happy with this. This was from the character workshop. We really had a great fun drawing people. This is a very simple double-sided pencil with a red and a blue end, but it's smudging everywhere. Some quick drawings when I was at the flea market, trying to capture movement with just 2 watercolor colors. I like the bleeding here. I think it's really fun. I was doing that while drinking a coffee. It was a great moment. And some drawing. I am more happy with this one. And I love the neon color. It's really a thing right now for me. Another drawing during the workshop. And I added stickers just because, why not? Another exercise with acrylic markers and colored pencils. These are not my colors, not at all, but we swapped our color pencils and markers with someone else. So he got my palette, I got his, and we had a hard time, both of us. Then I was visiting a friend for 2 days, and I drew her during the 2 days. She was a bit fed up at the end, I must say, but I was experimenting with vignettes and different point of views. And funny enough, this is something I had later on in a workshop in the symposium. Then the symposium began, and we were drawing people. This is a sticker with a coffee cup that I added on my drawing. There was a croissant there, but who cares? A big thank you to all the volunteers. They had a very, very bright pink, my color, actually opera pink, and I added my stamp as well. Some view on the river in the morning during my morning walk, and I stamped Lulu. Lulu is the mascot of the symposium because, you know, stickers are a thing, but stamps are another big thing for urban sketchers. And the organizers also sold a passport for urban sketchers, so it looks like an actual passport, and I stamped everything from Toulouse in there, and I hope to fill it. Well, 42 pages. I have a long time ahead of me, but it's kind of a hunt, very fun. Drawing from the canal, I did a sticker with a fox because I wanted to, and I was trying to get only a frame, except that I overlapped there, and it was not dry when I closed, but fine, I will do something else or not. Then it was my workshop with Roshin. She was having us drawing in the market and adding bubble speech. And a lot of drawings with the feeling, the smell, the noises around us. Still the same workshop, very fun. Other workshop was done Archer about drawing characters. And I drew Eileen. She was really fun to draw. And another workshop with Veronica Lawlor, and it was about making thumbnails of a single surrounding. This was a very busy place with kids, games, cafe, people, bicycles, kids playing, rooftops, and then we had to make a kind of a composite with everything we had around us, making something that would not be true to what we actually see. I don't know if that makes sense. And then I drew that in the train. She was a grown-up woman, and she had a plushie here. And some drawing because I'm testing my new fountain pen. And this is where I am. It's not finished, but I will fill it with something else. I have no worries with that. If you have the chance to attend an urban sketching symposium, I would really encourage you to do so. This is very energizing, exhausting at the same time. Because of the heat wave and a lot of workshops, a lot of people to meet, a lot of drink and draws, sketch walks. You can do a bit, you can do a lot, you can do too much, whatever you want. The next one will be in Toronto, Canada, and I plan to go, of course, because this is such an amazing experience, and I hope that my sketchbook is kind of translating this energy, how many things I've learned, how many connections I've made, and how fun I had. Let me know in comments. Did we meet there? Because I know I met some of you. Well, you met me because I don't know you, so it's always a special moment when someone is coming to you and saying, "Oh, Cécile, nice to meet you." And yeah, I'm nice to meet you too, but who are you? Well, thanks for watching. See you soon.